Welcome to today's program, and we're very happy you were able to join us today. This is presented by ICCR in tandem with RMT Samskriti. The Indian Council for Cultural Relations, ICCR, was founded to actively participate in the formulation and implementation of policies and programs pertaining to India's external cultural relations, to foster and strengthen cultural relations and mutual understanding between India and other countries, to promote cultural exchanges with other countries and their people, and to deepen all-round relations with nations. Established in 1951, ICCR is a society registered in the year 1957 under the Society Registration Act 1860. ICCR was founded by Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad when he was a Minister of Education. The organization was under the administrative control of the Ministry of Education and Youth Affairs till 1970. Since its mandate involved interaction with foreign entities, ICCR was in 1970 transferred from the Ministry of Human Resource Development to the Ministry of External Affairs. ICCR is an important instrument of the Government of India to project and promote India's soft power overseas. The ICCR Regional Office, Hyderabad, was initially established in August 1991 in Kala Bhavan, Ravindra Bharati, by the then Vice President of India and the President of ICCR, Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma. In February 1994, the state government had officially handed over part of the first and second floor of the Kala Bhavan for Art Gallery and Office Complex, respectively. The Regional Office Hyderabad has been striving towards fulfilling the aims and objectives of the Council by monitoring and implementing the ICCR scholarship schemes for the foreign students, presenting programs that foster cultural exchanges throughout performances, discussions, orientation programs, student activities, etc. Besides working in close tandem with their colleagues in the State Department, universities, social and cultural organizations. We welcome you to today's program, and we really hope you enjoy the dance presentation that will come up first, followed by a very active discussion with a prominent cultural personality, Srimati Deepika Reddy. Thank you so much. The first piece is a Pushpanjali. Pushpanjali is an offering of flowers. Pushpanjali is the first dance in Bharatanatyam performance. It is a salutation to the Lord of Dance, Nataraja, to the Guru, to the musicians, and to the audience. It is made up of two words, Pushpa, flower, and Anjali, folded hands to show respect. The dancer holds flowers to offer prayers to the trinity of gods, goddesses, Ashtadikpalikas, and scholars in dance. Pushpanjali is an invocatory dance in the Bharatanatyam Margam, the dance presentation format, as a floral salutation. Today's Pushpanjali is a beautiful song choreographed by Mridula Anand set to Gambhira Natai Ragam, Talam Adi, from the album Nritya Madhuri, followed by the shlokam Mushika Vahana, extolling the many facets of Lord Ganesha or Vinayaka.
Sagadodanga takutare, मूषिकवाहन मोदक हस्ता चामर कर्णा विलंबित सूत्र वामन रूपा महेश्वर पुत्रा विघ्न विनायक पाद नमस्ते पाद नमस्ते
Srimati Mridula Anand. Srimati Mridula Anand is a disciple of renowned Bharatanatyam exponent Padma Shri Sudharani Raghupathi. She has performed in many places in India under the auspices of renowned banners. She has performed in all major dance festivals in Chennai and other parts of India and was awarded the Award of Excellence in 2000 by Sri Parthasarathi Swami Sabha. She was also awarded the title Bharata Kala Bhushana during the 32nd anniversary celebrations of Sri Bharatalaya 2002. She has also received the prestigious Yuva Kala Bharati in 2009. Her interest not only lies with learning and perfecting classical Indian music and dance, but to strongly promote it as well. She was the cultural champion at Sri Venkateshwara Temple in Pittsburgh, one of the most well-recognized and largest temples in the US. She has helped organize concerts by leading artists from India and USA in Pittsburgh and is also keen on bridging the gap between performers and the Rasikas. She has innovated in the introduction of adapting compositions to dance. For the first time, to the Tyagaraja, Alvar, Purandaradasa and Annamacharya Aradhanas held yearly with great fanfare at Sri Venkateshwara Temple. Mirroring her interest in dance, Mridula is also interested in research involving basic science, which prompted her to obtain undergrad degree in biochemistry and a graduate degree in zoology from University of Madras, Chennai. She then went ahead to complete Masters in Molecular Biology at Stanford University, USA in 2005. She currently is an innovation and IP researcher with a law degree.
The next song is a Padam, Aduvum Solluvan. Padams gained currency in the 17th century. Padams have romantic lyrics and use Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam and other languages. Padams belong to the dance repertoire but are also sung in music concerts in view of the classical ragams in which they are composed in. The emotional aspect of Padams are very well suited for Abhinayam in dance. The song, speaking about a heroine's disdain about the other woman's rise from rags to riches, can be interpreted by each dancer very differently. This particular Padam describes the jealousy of mind of a damsel over somebody else's fortune. Apparently, the newly rich dame is ridiculing her heroine, perhaps elated over her blessings. It appears that the rival dame had got the companionship of Murugeshan. Here, the hero is Muthu Kumaraswamy of Vaitishwaran Koil, who happens to favor our rival dame. The Nayaki is doing a tongue lashing about her rival. The rival used to come to the Nayaki to borrow jewelry and clothes, but now she seems to be swimming in fortune. She has fine furniture, nice silks, and she has been favored by Murugan. Aduvum Solluval, Padam by Sri Subramaniar, Ragam Saurashtram, Talam Adi.
அதுவும் சொல்லுவாள் அவளநேகம் சொல்லுவாள் அதுவும் சொல்லுவாள் அவளநேகம் சொல்லுவாள் அவள் மீது குற்றம் என்னடி அடியே போடி அவள் மீது குற்றம் என்னடி அதுவும் சொல்லுவாள் அவளநேகம் சொல்லுவாள் அவள் மீது குற்றம் என்னடி அடியே போடி அவள் மீது குற்றம் என்னடி என்னடி அடியே போடி அவள் மீது குற்றம் என்னடி அதுவும் சொல்லுவாள் அவளநேகம் சொல்லுவாள் அவள் மீது குற்றம் என்னடி அடியே போடி அவள் மீது குற்றம் என்னடி அதுவும் சொல்லுவாள் அவளநேகம் சொல்லுவாள் அவள் மீது குற்றம் என்னடி அடியே போடி அவள் மீது குற்றம் என்னடி மதியும் நதியணிந்த வைத்தீஸ்வரன் நாட்டில் பதியான முருகேசன் செய்த காரியத்திற்கு மதியும் நதியணிந்த வைத்தீஸ்வரன் நாட்டில் பதியான முருகேசன் செய்த காரியத்திற்கு அதுவும் சொல்லுவாள் அவளநேகம் சொல்லுவாள் அவள் மீது குற்றம் என்னடி அடியே போடி அவள் மீது குற்றம் என்னடி இங்கே வந்து நகை என்றும் துணி என்றும் இரவல் கேட்ட நாள் போச்சே. அடிய நேரமும் இங்கே வந்து நகை என்றும் துணி என்றும் இரவல் கேட்ட நாள் போச்சே. எனக்கெதிரியாக அவள் செல்ல கரையிட்ட மெத்தை விடும் உண்டாச்சே. எனக்கெதிரியாக அவள் செல்ல கரையிட்ட மெத்தை விடும் உண்டாச்சே. உன்னத உன்னதமான கட்டிலாச்சே மெத்தையாச்சே. உன்னத உன்னதமான கட்டிலாச்சே மெத்தையாச்சே. உயர்ந்த மகமல் திரு பட்டு புடவையுமாச்சே. உயர்ந்த மகமல் திரு பட்டு புடவையுமாச்சே. உயர்ந்த மகமல் திரு பட்டு புடவையுமாச்சே. தன்னை விட பாக்கியசாலி கிடையாதென்றமாச்சே. தன்னை விட பாக்கியசாலி கிடையாதென்றமாச்சே. தனியாய் இருந்தவள்க்கு தனியாய் இருந்தவள்க்கு தனியாய் இருந்தவள்க்கு தாதிமார்கள் உண்டாச்சே. தனியாய் இருந்தவள்க்கு தாதிமார்கள் உண்டாச்சே.
Namaskaram. I will now be presenting Rukmini Pravesham, an excerpt from the ballet Rukmini Krishna, choreographed by my guru Deepika Reddy. Traditionally, Kuchipudi Yakshagana employs in its themes interludes called Patra Pravesha Darus, which literally mean entry of a character. These are lively pieces set to music and dance, where the dancer introduces the identity of the character she is portraying. The character being portrayed here is Rukmini, the princess who is the embodiment of beauty and charm. The beloved of Lord Krishna is like a budding flower. She is a delicate doll created by Lord Brahma and is as pure as the cream of milk from the churned ocean. Dotingly sensuous, Rukmini is as delicate as a creeper. She has eyes only for Krishna and desires to become one with him. Rukmini Pravesham set to Karahara Priya Ragam and Aditalam. Music composition by Shri Thandipotla Srinivasa Venkata Shastri. Lyrics by Shri Rambhatla Nrsimha Sharma. Vocal by Srimati Nitya Santoshini and choreography by Srimati Deepika Reddy.
ధి త తద్ధిన్ ధిత్త దిన్నక్కడ తెగద జం తచ్చం త జం దిన్నక్కడ తెగద జం తచ్చం త జం దిన్నక్కడ తెగద జం తచ్చం త జం త ధీం ధి త త ధీం ధి త తద్దిన్ ధిత్త దిన్నక్కడ తెగద జం తచ్చం త జం దిన్నక్కడ తెగద జం తచ్చం త జం దిన్నక్కడ తెగద జం తచ్చం త జం త తిం ధి త దిన్నక్కడ తెగద జం తచ్చం త జం ద తిం ధి త దిన్నక్కడ తెగద జం తచ్చం త జం ద దిన్ ధిత్త దిన్నక్కడ తెగద జం తక్క దిన్ ధిత్త దిన్నక్కడ తెగద జం తద్దిన్ ధిత్త తజం తత్త జం ద దిన్ ధిత్త తజం తత్త జం ద తక్కడ తెగ తగ తరికడ తెగతం తక్కడ తెగ తగ తరికడ తెగతం కడ తెగ తగ తరికడ తెగత తక్కడ తెగ తగ తరికడ తెగతం తక్కడ తెగ తగ తరికడ తెగతం కడ తెగ తగ తరికడ తెగత తక్కడ తెగ తగ తరికడ తెగతం తక్కడ తెగ తగ తరికడ తెగతం కడ తెగ తగ తరికడ తెగ
వచ్చేనే ఈ నెచ్చలి రుక్మిణి విచ్చుకున్న విరి కుచ్చము కరడి వచ్చేనే ఈ నెచ్చలి రుక్మిణి విచ్చుకున్న విరి కుచ్చము కరడి వచ్చేనే నెచ్చలి రుక్మిణి విచ్చుకున్న విరి కుచ్చము కరడి వచ్చేనే నెచ్చలి రుక్మిణి విచ్చుకున్న విరి కుచ్చము కరడి వచ్చేనే నెచ్చలి రుక్మిణి అచ్చముగా నారాయణురాణిని అచ్చముగా నారాయణురాణిని అచ్చూసి హెచ్చించిన సరడి అచ్చూసి హెచ్చించిన సరడి అచ్చముగా నారాయణురాణిని అచ్చూసి హెచ్చించిన సరడి వచ్చేనే నెచ్చలి రుక్మిణి విచ్చుకున్న విరి కుచ్చము కరడి వచ్చేనే నెచ్చలి రుక్మిణి బ్రహ్మ సృజించిన బొమ్మ కాదు ఈ కొమ్మ పాల్ కడలి మీ గడ సుమ్మ బ్రహ్మ సృజించిన బొమ్మ కాదు ఈ కొమ్మ పాల్ కడలి మీ గడ సుమ్మ అమ్మలగను ముగురమ్మల ఇమ్మగో అమ్మలగను ముగురమ్మల ఇమ్మగో క్రొమ్మిరుంగు జిగి వెల్నగదమ్మా క్రొమ్మిరుంగు జిగి వెల్నగదమ్మా అమ్మలగను ముగురమ్మల ఇమ్మగో క్రొమ్మిరుంగు జిగి వెల్నగదమ్మా వచ్చేనే నెచ్చలి రుక్మిణి విచ్చుకున్న విరి కుచ్చము కరడి వచ్చేనే నెచ్చలి రుక్మిణి గారము గల సింగారమోక పాలు వన్యలతిక లావణ్యముక పాలు గారము గల సింగారమోక పాలు వన్యలతిక లావణ్యముక పాలు చూపులందున శ్యామలాంగు కనుదీపాలు సగపాలు సోపునందున శ్యామలాంగు కనుదీపాలు ఎంచుకొని గోపాలు తను కాగా సగపాలు వచ్చినే నెచ్చలి రుక్మిణి విచ్చుకున్న విరి కుచ్చము కరణి వచ్చనే నెచ్చలి రుక్మిణి వచ్చనే నెచ్చలి రుక్మిణి వచ్చనే నెచ్చలి రుక్మిణి
We will now be presenting Prakriti Varnana, an excerpt from the ballet Prakriti Rakshati Rakshitaha, choreographed by my guru Deepika Reddy. The beauty of nature is present all around us, from gushing rivers to cascading waterfalls, the prancing deer, the dancing peacocks, and the singing birds. Nature is endowed with immense enduring elements and is the only source of sustenance for mankind. We will see the coexistence of a large elephant with a tiny fly and the eternal conflict between the snake and eagle. This piece concludes with the depiction of the circle of life. Let us all come together to celebrate this blessing of Mother Nature. Prakriti Varnana, set to Ragamalika and Aditalam. Music composition by Sri Dandibotla Srinivasa Venkata Shastri. Lyrics by Sri Nim. Vocal by Srimati Nitya Santoshini and choreography by Srimati Deepika Reddy. This piece will be performed by Rutrika Nalamalapu and Shloka Reddy.
రమణీయము పరమాత్ముని సృష్టి కడు సౌందర్యమే కవన శక్తి రమణీయము పరమాత్ముని సృష్టి కడు సౌందర్యమే కవన శక్తి పాంచభౌతికపు చల సంచలనము నిత్య నూతన విశ్రుత విభవము పాంచభౌతికపు చల సంచలనము నిత్య నూతన విశ్రుత విభవము రమణీయము పరమాత్ముని సృష్టి కడు సౌందర్యమే కవన శక్తి రమణీయము పరమాత్ముని సృష్టి
కిటను తద్దిక్కు ఝం ఝం త తఝం ఝం త తఝం ఝం త ఝక్కిటను తద్దిక్కు ఝం ఝం త తగఝం ఝం త తగఝం ఝం త ఝక్కిటను తద్దిక్కు ఝం ఝం త తఝం ఝం త ఝక్కిటను తద్దిక్కు ఝం ఝం త తగఝం ఝం త ಝಕ್ಕಿಟನ್ನು ತದ್ರಿಕ್ಕು ಝೇಕಟಕಟತಕ ಝಕ್ಕಿಟನ್ನು ತದ್ರಿಕ್ಕು ಝೇಕಟಕಟತಕ ಝಕ್ಕಿಟನ್ನು ತದ್ರಿಕ್ಕು ಝೇಕಟಕಟತಕತ ಝೇಕಟತಕತ ಝೇಕಟತ ತಜ್ಝೇಕಟಕಟತಕತ ಝೇಕಟತಕತ ಝೇಕಟತ ತಜ್ಝೇಕಟಕಟತಕತ ಝೇಕಟತಕತ ಝೇಕಟತ
రమణీయము పరమాత్ముని సృష్టి గల 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 కదిలి అలలో ఆగక సాగే వర్ణ పుంజములు గల 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 కదిలి అలలో ఆగక సాగే వర్ణ పుంజములు అరుణపు సంధ్యన పద్మశోభలో రజనీ సమయపు నీలోపలములు అరుణపు సంధ్యన పద్మశోభలో రజనీ సమయపు నీలోపలములు రమణీయము పరమాత్ముని సృష్టి కడు సౌందర్యమే కవన శక్తి రమణీయము పరమాత్ముని సృష్టి తూగులను గోచు హొయలనాడుచు నల్లని ధరణికి హరితములదుముచు తూగులను గోచు హొయలనాడుచు నల్లని ధరణికి హరితములదుముచు పలు ఫల సుమముల సుబగులను సగోచు జీవకోటిక హారం మిడునటు పలు ఫల సుమముల సుబగులను సగోచు జీవకోటిక హారం మిడునటు రమణీయము పరమాత్ముని సృష్టి కడు సౌందర్యమే కవన శక్తి రమణీయము పరమాత్ముని సృష్టి సప్త స్వరముల సుకపిక గానము జతి గతి నాడెడు నాట్యమయూరము సప్త शक्ति कवन शक्ति कवन शक्ति
We are sure you enjoyed the program presented today, and we really hope you continue to stay with us while we have a discussion and a conversation with Srimati Deepika Reddy. And we do hope you continue with us. Please stay with us while we start the conversation in a few minutes.